Hey there, ever wonder what you could do to minimize the chances of you or your family catching any of the nasty stuff that's going around? Strengthen your immune system. Strong immune systems fight off viruses and bacteria. Hi, I'm Dr. Watts, a physician with many years of experience finding the cause of various ailments and providing solutions. Today, I want to specifically tell you healthy ways of strengthening your immune system. Chlorella, a nutrient dense algae that has been getting lots of buzz. Not only does it give you extraordinary energy, it contains protein, B12, vitamin C, zinc, magnesium, omega 3s, fiber, and more. Massive amounts of nutrients essential for boosting your immune system. Turmeric, known to have anti inflammatory properties that boost the immune system and is a well known natural painkiller. Ashwagandha reduces cellular stress. Stressed cells decrease our immune system. By reducing cellular stress, you're boosting your immune system again. It also has the potential to increase your white blood cells, cells that attack and kill viruses and bacteria. Valerian Root, well known as a natural sleep aid, and we know adequate rest and a sound mind is essential for healthy immune systems. You see, growing up and into adulthood, I suffered from many ailments such as chronic sinus problems, asthma, migraines, fever of unknown origins, and fatigue. My immune system was compromised. Doctors could never find real cause of what was going on with my bodies. 10 years ago, I began taking chlorella, ashwagandha, valerian root, and turmeric, and my life changed drastically. I'm 57 years old, and I feel great. I can't remember the last time I suffered from a virus or bacterial illness. So if you're looking to make sure that your immune system gets the boost it needs, visit DrWattsOrganicCare.com and grab your kit while it's currently on sale for 25% off the regular price. I'm Dr. Watts, and you have an amazing day.